Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw the deer entity from 99 Nights in the Forest. So first we're going to get started with the nose, and we're going to draw in a sideways oval. We're going to come underneath for the mouth, drawing in a curved line from left to right. We're going to, on the left, bring this line down, flattening that out as we come in towards the middle. And then we're going to do the same on the right. Now we're going to close off the top, so starting on the left-hand side, let's curve this line all the way around and then down on the right. Now on the side, we're going to bring this line down on a diagonal, bringing that in towards the middle. And then we're going to replicate that as we come across on the right. Now let's draw in the eyes. So we're going to come over, drawing in the outside oval on a diagonal. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in another sideways oval for the pupil. And then we're just going to color this in black. Now let's close off the rest of the head. So we're going to start in the center, curving this line around, down, and out. And then starting back on our top line here, curving this over, down, and then out. We're going to come down on a diagonal, curving this over and in from that point. And then we're going to connect this together from the point on the top, bringing that in towards the side. Now from here for the chin, we're going to curve this line across towards the mouth. Now let's draw on the ears. So on both sides, we're going to curve this line out. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this line down and then back in towards the side of the head. Now from that corner, we're going to arch this line back through and in towards the middle. Now let's draw in the horns. So we're going to come up beside the ear, drawing in a diagonal line coming out. On the inside, let's draw in a small diagonal line coming across. And then from that point, we'll bring this line up and in. Now from here, we're going to bring this line across again. And then we're going to bring this line out towards the middle. Now from here, we're going to bring this line up and over towards the right, as well as on the left. And then from that point, we're going to bring this line down and then in. Now from here, let's bring this line across on a diagonal. We're going to bring this line back out towards the top of the page. And then again, we'll bring this line up towards the top. Now from here, we're going to bring this line out. And then from that point, we're going to bring this line back in. Let's bring our small diagonal line now out towards the side. And then again from here, for the last horn, just bringing this line out. From here, we're going to bring this line down towards the ear. And then from the side, bringing that in, connecting that to the line on the bottom. Let's move down now and draw in the chest. So we're going to curve this line out and then in. Again, from that point, curving this out and back in. And then from here, we're going to curve this down and up. Now we're going to bring this line down, over, and in towards the center. Let's draw in a curved line for the torso, bringing this out, back in on the side. And then we're just going to draw in a small curved line, bringing that down towards the middle. Now in the center, let's curve this line across. For the legs, let's arch this around and in. And then moving in behind that, bringing this line back across. Now behind this, we're going to curve this out and through. Let's bring this line down and up. Now we're going to bring this line over on a diagonal and then back up. And then again, one more time, bringing this out and then curving this up. Now let's draw in the feet. So we're going to bring this line down, across, and then back in. Down, across, and then back in towards the top. Lastly, we're just going to draw in our arms now. So we're going to curve this line out and then back in on the side. And then now let's draw in a diagonal line coming across. And we'll do the same as we move down on the bottom, just ending that at the same height. Let's draw in the hands now. So for the thumb, we're going to curve this all the way around and in towards the top. Now from here, we're going to curve this line up and down for the first finger. We're going to curve this back over and through towards the top. Again, curving this down and over. And then again, moving across, bringing that out and all the way back around and in towards the wrist. That is it. That's how you draw the deer entity from 99 Nights in the Forest. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.